Good morning, guys. I don't normally forget about my coffee, but I definitely did today, so I reheated it, and it's never the same, is it? Reheated coffee, I don't know what the difference is, but reheated coffee is never as good as fresh coffee. Anyways, I've been up for a little while. I gave Rook a bath because he was a greasy boy, and now he's just napping in the other room, and I really want to get the house tidied. It's not horribly messy, but it's dirty. Like, I haven't vacuumed in a while or dusted, so I want to get that done as soon as possible. Normally I clean the house before I go to bed, so I wake up to a nice clean house, but some evenings I don't feel like it, or I prioritize other things. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with that. Boy. Whoa. You want to play with your toy? Yeah. Boop boop. Boop boop. Okay guys, so I've been wanting new toys for Rook because he is now spending a lot more time on his stomach than his back, and so the overhanging toys, like you can see right there, the overhanging toys are not helpful when he's on his stomach, right? So I had been searching up what kind of toys I want to get for Rook. I really wanted stuff that was, you know, like Montessori based. And during that time, the company LOVEVERY reached out to me, and I looked into their stuff, and I'm so excited that they're sponsoring today's video. They're a company that makes subscription boxes of Montessori-based baby toys for each stage of their life. I don't have the time to research what toys are best for my baby at each age, so to have someone who does it for you and just sends it to you in the mail is the coolest thing. So I recently got the box, the Charmer, and this is the box for 3 to 4 months, which is perfect because Rook just turned 4 months. And yeah, I want to show you what toys are in it and tell you how it works. So every 2 months you will get a box in the mail for a 2-month age gap for your baby, and it contains a bunch of toys. Oh, I forgot the instruction manual. So it contains a bunch of toys and this booklet here that kind of explains how the toys work and why it's good for your baby, that kind of stuff. So the first toy we will go over is this guy here. This is the mirror card. One side is a mirror and the other is this black and white picture because babies like high contrast. The mirror is great because at this age he loves looking at himself. Even though he doesn't know that it's himself, he still loves looking at himself. I also really like to play games with him in the mirror. Like, I'll point at my nose and then touch his nose and talk about noses so that he's kind of getting an association, hopefully. Next up is this crinkle bag, which is so crinkly. You saw him turn and look at it. This is like his favorite toy right now. It's so noisy with the littlest touch, so he loves grabbing it. He loves shoving it in his mouth. It also is just a bag, so eventually he can put stuff in it and learn kind of that skill. There's also this soft book which is super cool because it kind of has everything you need. This toy is all about senses. So the sense of touch, sight, noise, that kind of thing. So there's these inserts with cards that you can put in. Rook especially likes this page because there's all these like frilly bits to grab. So yeah, there's that. There's a couple teethers, which he just dropped. This is the silicone beaded one. This one's really nice because he can grab it super easily. You want to suck on this instead? There you go. But there's also this teether, which is a natural rubber. And I think this is going to be super good for when he is teething because it's super like squishy. So I feel like it's going to feel good on his gums. And then we have this rolling bell, which is a little advanced for Rook. He can't really grab it easily, but I like to play with this where I'll just roll it in front of him and he'll kind of track the noise and track the object, which is cool. And similar idea, there's a shaker or a rattle, that's what they call them. I really like this rattle because it's not like an aggressive, annoying sound. It's a very soft rattle, so I won't mind when he starts shaking it like crazy. He can grab onto this just fine, but he doesn't really get the concept of shaking it to make noise yet. That's the thing that's nice about these, is that he can grow into the toys, you know? So I like to use this just by shaking it on either side of his head and he'll kind of track the noise like with the rolling bell toy. And then finally there are these hand-to-hand discs, which apparently are a very like traditional Montessori toy where it helps connect both sides of the brain. So like you hold it in one hand and pass it to the other. Apparently that's a really difficult skill. He has no idea how to do it yet. In the booklet it was saying that they don't really learn how to do it until 5 to 7 months, but it's good to get started early, so we're gonna try that out. And yeah, I just love the concept behind these toys, how everything is so purposeful and that there's experts working on it. It's not just pointless toys. And this booklet is so cool. Like, I've read the whole thing. It has a bunch of information. It also has like extra activities you can do. Things like touring around the house, which is just walking around and telling your baby about your home, because the more you talk, the quicker hopefully they'll learn how to talk. So yeah, I'm super excited for this sponsorship. I think you guys are really gonna love this if you decide to pick it out. I also think that it would be a great present for Christmas time for any moms in your life. I know if someone gave this to me, it would be the most exciting thing, because honestly, these are all the toys he really needs at this age. He doesn't need any more, so it's kind of an all-in-one deal. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll put the link down below for you to check it out. But also, guess what, Rook? We're doing a giveaway. I'm so excited LOVEVERY offered to do a giveaway for you guys. So all you have to do is subscribe to me if you aren't already, subscribe to LOVEVERY's YouTube page, and then just comment down below who this box would be for. Is it for your child, someone else's child? Just let me know. Yeah, I'm so stoked to be able to share this with you guys. It's so much more than just toys. It's like purposeful play, you know? Are you enjoying your toys? Okay, I'm gonna give Rook his toys back and we will move along. So like I just said, Rook is 4 months now. He just hit it the other day, last week, I think. And so I took him to his 4-month doctor's appointment, which was all fine and dandy. But during the appointment, my doctor was like, yeah, Rook has met all his milestones that he needs to, so you can start serving him solids if you want. And I was like, not prepared for that. I was like, oh, okay. And she's like, yeah, it's just good to start now to get him used to flavors, that kind of thing. It's not a substitute for milk. It's just for fun right now and like learning purposes. So we're starting solids. Just very casually. I'm not even doing it like every day. It's just gonna be like whenever I feel like it kind of thing. Last night I gave him his first solid food, which was rice cereal mixed with breast milk. I posted it on my Instagram. It was super cute. So my doctor suggested starting with rice cereal, so I went out and bought it. But then I got home and I showed it to Josh and he's like, why are we giving our kid this like processed crap? And I was like, I don't know. I didn't really think. I just went out and bought it. So I don't think I'm gonna use it again. This is what I got. Probably nothing really wrong with it, but I'd rather like give him real food, you know? So I thought today I would whip up some stuff and feed it to him and see how he likes it. So we're gonna do carrots and avocado and banana. Okay, so I have my double boiler here, which I'm not kidding, I've never used in my life. But I'm gonna boil the carrots so that they're nice and soft. Also, I know I'm making like a bunch, but I'm gonna freeze the extra so it won't go to waste. Okay, buddy, we're gonna try some new flavors and we're gonna have a great time, okay? So I got avocado, banana, and carrot. I ended up using the emulsifier because it wasn't, the fork just wasn't doing it. I think I'm gonna start with the sweetest ones, just hopefully it'll go over well, because I think the avocado might be a little too bitter, you know, because breast milk is sweet. Okay, buddy, are you ready? Here's some banana. How do you feel? How's that? Oh, there it is. How do you like it, buddy? Let me get a napkin. Oh my goodness, it is all over your face. Do you want to try a different flavor? We're gonna try carrot. Okay, ready? Oh, do you not like that one very much? Yeah, that's not bad, hey? Are you eating it? I think he likes this one more than the banana, right? He's kind of eating it. Okay, let's try avocado. You ready for it? Get ready. You are so just neutral about everything. He's like dealing with it, but he's not happy about it. Okay, what if we mix some breast milk in? Will you like that? I'm gonna mix a bit of banana with some milk. Okay, you ready? This is very liquidy now. Ready? Come on, that has milk in it. You should like it. Yeah! Yeah! Oh no! Is that no good? Yesterday when we tried the rice cereal, he was like laughing. Today he's like not interested. Okay, maybe that's enough for today? How are you feeling? Okay, let's call that quits for today, hey? You tried enough flavors. Maybe it's nap time. I really thought that he would like that more. He really did enjoy the rice cereal, but I guess that's like a really bland flavor with breast milk, so that's probably why. But we'll continue trying. Maybe I'll do one flavor at a time next time instead of overwhelming him with 3. So I'm gonna pack these up and you okay, dude? We'll try again tomorrow. Okay, I'm hitting a wall. I need to eat some lunch. I think I'm gonna make a charcuterie board because that sounds delicious and I just bought new cheese. Picked up on camera, but as the days progressed, I've been feeling more and more just blah. Like, I don't know. I just feel like I don't have any emotion right now, if that makes sense. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the weather. It's been gray all day. And also, I think it's been like over a week since we've had a sunny day, which is pretty typical for this time of year, but it still hits you just as hard. It's always so funny in the spring when we have like a full clear blue sky and I'm like, wow, I forgot how blue the sky is because it's just so gray in the winter. So yeah, sorry if my mood's a little off. I'm just feeling the weather, you know? It is really stormy out right now. Apparently people knew that there was a storm coming in. I had no idea. So I'm gonna go move my car up to the house because I normally park under big trees and I would rather not have a giant branch smash my car. So I'm gonna run out and do that real quick. Holy, the rain's coming down. The wind is blowing like crazy. Okay, I'm gonna try and embrace this stormy weather and maybe turn on the diffuser, light a candle. When Rook wakes up, I think I'm gonna give him some cuddles just because I'm in that mood, you know, that like winter cozy mood, just because I feel like that'll make me feel better. Baby cuddles are the best. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna kind of pour into some self-care, if you would call it that.
In the cold kitchen light, we both look for a sign, and you say, these are troubles of mine. Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin. Don't know if we should stop or begin. 'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true. There were no reasons why, guess all beauty must die. We try hard but we all so reckless, so reckless.
So I'm in the bedroom right now because Rook is sleeping in the other room and I didn't want to wake him. He's been sleeping for a couple hours now, which is strange because he never has long naps in the evening, but I'm not complaining. So past couple hours I've just been hanging out, chilling with Rook. It was really nice and I feel way recharged. I think sometimes I try and get too much stuff done in the day and then I feel super wiped and I'm like, why don't I feel good? And it's like, because you're trying to do too much. So that was good. I also spent some time looking into Christmas trees, or specifically there's this one lot where we cut down our Christmas tree every year. And because of COVID, I think because of COVID, they aren't opening up their lot until December 5th. So I have to wait till December to get my Christmas tree because I don't want to go anywhere else. I like going there and it's local and whatever. So I think I'm going to end up decorating the house but go 2 weeks without a Christmas tree because I really don't want to wait till the 5th. Like I mentioned, I'm really itching to get decorated for Christmas. Yeah, it's just kind of lame, but it is what it is. We'll eventually get a tree, right? I guess I'll finish the vlog off here because Josh is coming home again late tonight. This isn't like a normal thing, but I feel like every time I vlog, Josh comes home late. But yeah, I'm just gonna make myself some food and hang out with Rook until he goes to bed, and that's about it. Thank you guys so much for sticking around today, and during every vlog, you guys have told me you love vlogs, which is cool because I love making them, so if you love watching them, then it's a win-win. Yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!